in about 2007-8 when this alumni meet was organized by EDI at that time. So here we are, the founding committee, with me as president, Mitul, to share our experience. And I think we enjoyed our tenure. Mitul, the name was Shraddha and team. President, Mitul, joint secretary, and Mihir as secretary. So it was real to give our best whenever it's required for EDIAA. Mihir, Mitul, what would you like to share?
I must thank the current EDIA committee. At least it got us together on the Zoom platform, the founding team.
Yeah.
So it's really
and all the best to new
Batch and Mihir is from third batch. We are really passionate EDI alumni, I would say. And we started our journey in about 2007-8. Me as president, Mitul joint secretary, and Mihir as secretary. So it was really fun to share our experience, and I think we enjoyed our tenure. We learned a lot. We gave our efforts and time to build up this baby we call EDIAA, and we all love it, and that's why we are always ready to give our best whenever it's required for
to each other. So great work. I enjoyed listening to our dear Gaurav, Mihir, Mitul, what you call Ashish or Nikhil, Lawal, and one more. Who was there? Mitul, Lawal.
Sumit Grover, sir.
Sumit. But one name, while full marks to these people, those who gave an organized shape to Alumni Association, but one name is missing, and it would be grossly injustice if we do not remember him. I'm talking of Abhinav Daga. Probably he was in 10th batch. And it was Abhinav who, worked really very hard.
Yes, sir.
It was difficult for anyone to mobilize people, but it was Abhinav that he mobilized people, he mobilized resources, and he organized the first Andhraplexus event. And after which, all these people, those who guided him, who worked with him, and they decided to form that independent entity called EDIAA. So let this be put on record that the contribution that he has made. Let us also give credit to all those faculty members who have been part of this program. Dr. V.G. Patel, our late founder director, this was his, I would say that the most favorite programs ever. And every time he interacted, even after superannuation, every time he interacted with any alumni, came to know about his or her successes, he discussed it with us. And he said कि मजा आ गया आज इन लोगों से बात करके, इससे बात करके, उसका फोन आया था या ये एयरपोर्ट पर मिला था. He always used to take pride कि हमारा alumni एयरपोर्ट पर मिलता है और इतने करोड़ का बिजनेस कर रहा है. So, and that gave us a lot of confidence. Dr. Dinesh Avasthi also, he contributed, and during his tenure, it was a transition time. From EDI's program, it became AICT program. I do not know whether really it benefited the program. I have some reservations on that, whether AICT helped the program, but nevertheless, at least we were able to attract good students who were academically also doing well and interested in entrepreneurship. Not just those who were involved in family businesses, but some of those who were also looking for some kind of validity to their degrees along with entrepreneurial inclinations, we were able to attract. I do not think that it has made any difference qualitatively on the impact of the businesses that they would have created. Probably it is an individual initiative and the kind of ideas you have and a kind of focus that you were able to display rather than AICTE. With or without AICTE, we have been doing very well. Sumit, after the first team, really, I was very happy. I mean, Gaurav and team, they tried to honestly, very sincerely, they tried to mobilize students, organize Entreplexus events. And every year we used to meet. I remember we had invited Mr. Sushil Handa also once. And it was a very, very inspiring address that he delivered. But somehow down the line, after that, the enthusiasm started reducing about participation in Entreplexus, and it became very, very difficult job for the next committee, which was headed by Sumit Grover. He also made a lot of attempts. He was interested in organizing events. He was able to at least mobilize them not on campus, but at least on cricket pitches, fields. That was also very useful. But he did promote some meaningful refresher programs or MDPs, but somehow there was a lukewarm response on that. And ever since this committee has taken, even much before the committee was formed, I would give full credit to Shraddha and our colleagues that they were able to involve a lot of people. And during last 4 or 5 months, if they have been able to connect with 400 or 500 students, that's a great success. And some students, some alumni, still they are not part of it. I remember first batch, we had some great students. Sadhana Bhatia was there, Grishu Gupta was there, Reena was there. A number of students were there. We know that, of course, is their first batch gold medalist. So all those who are still not identified, still not discovered, this is a challenge for this committee. Find out all those people. Now that you have access to social media, bring them over here. And if you find it difficult, give this task to me with their contact addresses and phone numbers, and I'll speak to them personally to ensure that they become part of this network and they contribute. The contribution of Alumni Association is very important, not just for the institute, but among yourself. A lot of you are into business, almost everybody into business. So how can you support each other? How can you mentor those who have recently joined Alumni Association or even the current batch students? That I think is the main requirement or the main objective it should be for the Alumni Association. And we were thinking last time we discussed that we'll form some interest group based on different sectors, industry sectors, so that we can also draw upon resources based on expertise from outside if it is not available within us. So we should prioritize that, Shraddha, and I'm sure that those who are looking for some support, some guidance, some advisory, some hand-holding, some mentorship support, they will be able to get that. Recently, you know that we have our incubation center, and Dr. Satyaranjan Acharya will tell you that last week we have got a support from Government of India, Startup India and Invest India, a seed fund of 3 crore rupees that has been sanctioned to us. We will be able to directly provide seed fund to those who have viable, feasible, bankable startup models or ideas that those who have. So that is another thing for which I would request our alumni, if they have any diversification plans, if they have any such things, please connect yourself with our incubation center, Cradle, Center for Advancing and Launching Enterprises, and also network with those who are working over there. And EDI or the Cradle will be able to take advantage of your ideas. We can also make investment in your seed fund. On the institute front, I would say that despite challenges We are doing well. We have been able to sail through, and more than numbers, I would say that the last year has been very, very difficult. And one of our honorable board members, Dr. Milind Kamble, last year he talked that this is not the time for the numbers. Numbers we can achieve anytime. This is the time for saving lives. And on that front, I would say that we are very, very fortunate. God has blessed the institute that there has not been any casualty, despite the fact that about 70 to 80% people, faculty and the staff, they were affected by this pandemic. So it's a great relief. Work-wise, fine. Whenever we got some window, whenever government allowed that field activities you can implement, we were able to do that. And we have been able to maintain the business. So far, top line and the bottom line is concerned, the business that we have in the previous years, we have been able to do that. There are better projects we have. We have got full support. I would say that unconditional support from Government of Gujarat. Honorable Chief Minister himself has personally supervised, personally monitored, personally guided some important projects, and other departments are helping us. Government of India, two ministries are very strongly supporting us, MEA and MSME ministry, besides rural development, for which we are working as an NRO and working in 75 blocks across 16 states. That's a very, very meaningful work. Today itself, I provided the figure to our board member, about 59,100 plus entrepreneurs we have created. 62% of them are women entrepreneurs. 62% of women entrepreneurs are there. These are all recorded. Each and every enterprise is tracked, registered enterprise. And if you think of OBC, SC, and ST, from among this 59,000 odd enterprises, about 85% belong to these marginalized communities. So we are working for inclusive development of the country, working with the goals of Prime Minister and the Government of India. And when we draw out our action strategies for implementing our annual plan and business strategy, which was recently carved out, we required your support. We required your guidance. We require your suggestions also on how we can do that. One activity which requires your support, your personal involvement, is the PGP itself, PGP and FPM. We have 4-year fellow program in management, equivalent to doctoral degree, and there are 2 PG programs. Last year, badly we suffered the moment we advertised and utilized all our budget for the advertisement and promotion. This pandemic, in fact, affected us very, very badly. And hardly we found a very, very small batch, not even worth mentioning. I think 25, 30 students joined the program. But this year has been relatively better than what it was last year. So program has been turned around, and we can look for much bigger, much better batch in next year. I'm very happy that those students, few students, out of the batch that has joined this time, few students are referred and recommended by our alumni. This is a testimony to the program. And not that as a head of the institution, but I must tell you that this is the best program in the country on entrepreneurship. There is no comparative program on entrepreneurship. If somebody has entrepreneurial goal in mind, somebody wants to pursue entrepreneurial interest, whether it is for business entrepreneurship, social entrepreneurship, or family business, or technology entrepreneurship, EDI is the place. There is no match of EDI anywhere. No other institution can be even somewhere nearer to what we are doing. So we'll continue to do so. We'll continue to prioritize this program. We'll continue to work for strengthening the program in whatever we can. And I need your support in publicity program, that's fine, publicity promotion, but I need your support in interaction with the students. I need your support in providing mentorship to the students, those who require and those who want to work in the area that you are working. So I would request each one of you, take this opportunity, please, even if you can dedicate yourself for 4 or 5 hours in the entire year, I think that would be a great support to the students. help them concretizing their idea, help them shaping up their business plan, help them evaluating the feasibility and viability of their ideas that they have, and rest everything they will be able to take care. I stop here, congratulate Dr. Shraddha Sheth as President of EDI Alumni Association. Palak mentioned that the first woman president, that's by chance. She deserves to be president with or without that qualification or the gender, because she has earned that. She has been able to connect, and she has every achievement to showcase and justify her selection or election as the president. I also thank Sumit and other officials, those who worked very hard, and those who helped the association, those who helped the institute in every way that they could have done. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much. I need your permission to leave. Maybe after 2-3 minutes, I'll be there 5 minutes, but I may have to leave soon before 6:45. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Satya, for inviting me.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for that informative, encouraging, and inspirational address. Moving ahead, friends, I must tell you that we had 8 founding committee members of EDI Alumni Association, out of which 3 of them are present today. So I would request them to come forward to introduce themselves as I take your names. And we would like to know from you which city you belong to and what are you into. Okay. So I will first invite Mr. Gaurav Parmar, founding president of EDI Alumni Association, from the second batch, to please come forward and introduce yourself.
Also winner of EDII President's Alumnus Award. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, sir, for adding that in the intro. Hello, everyone. As you know, I'm from the second batch, Gaurav Parmar, and I've been into different businesses, broadly speaking into manufacturing of textile machineries and components, and material handling equipment, specialized caster wheels, basically. And personally, I am heading all international business and new business development of the group. And presently, we have a network in about 65 countries, and it's a growing business, and a lot of plans we have ahead, getting into some of the futuristic concepts of electric vehicles and AI-based, IoT-based technology. So that's where we are working on. And personally, I'm based out of Ahmedabad and Surendranagar both. I'm from Surendranagar. And so both cities I'm shuffling my time. So basically, I would like to know more about what alumni is doing and where I can get help into my businesses, and where I can help or I can support, as Shukla sir mentioned, even mentoring some students. So it will be my pleasure to give my time to the students as well as the recently passed alumni, and wherever I'm my knowledge is helpful, I will be happy to support and share the knowledge. So I'm available for any kind of interactions that is required. Yeah, so that's, I think, we have.
Gaurav, any ask of yours? Do you think whichever way the alumni can kind of connect and collaborate with you?
Come again, Palak,
any ways by which the alumni can collaborate with you? Any ask of yours?
Yeah, as I said, we are into business of specialized caster wheels, basically the wheels that go into trolleys and luggage and healthcare equipment like ICU beds and all this. So we do specialized caster wheels, and we do about 650 different types and sizes of the wheels. So I would be really happy if I can find somebody who is into such kind of business, or somebody who wants is into a dealership of industrial equipment, where this kind of they are interested to sell the wheels or use the wheels for their own purpose. So I'll be happy to get that kind of a contact or collaborate on that.
Surely. Thank you so much, Gaurav, for that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Do we have Akshay with us?
Yes, I am here. So after this amazing session, now I will first from my side, now I invite Mr. Mihir Gajrawala, the founding secretary of EDIAA, to please introduce himself.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. It was great to listen to Dr. Shukla and know so many things about what the institute is doing. Anything with EDIAA, it's always like coming home. So it's a pleasure to be here. So again, to just briefly introduce myself, I am Mihir Gajrawala. I am based out of Ahmedabad. My relationship with EDI started in year 2000. So that was batch 3 of the PG program. And I did my specialization in new enterprise creation there. Currently, I am into the business of strategic design and visual communication. Along with it, I'm also into culture media business, and I run a portal called creativeyatra.com. So broadly, I'm interested into design and culture and arts. These are largely my domains and interest area. So that's how it is. I usually credit EDI that 1 year at EDI and all those interactions that has happened in last 2 decades after the year at EDI to kind of shape my thoughts. And, you know, whenever as entrepreneurs, we make decisions every day, but then there are those some critical moments where you have to, you want to switch gears or shift things or make transitions. I think at various those critical intervals, it was that foundation that this institute, this course, these amazing teachers that gave us has constantly helped me and guided me and kind of helped me in taking the right decisions, and they continue to do so. So I really thank the institute and the education that I received from this institute. Secondly, I think this institute has given some amazing friends and colleagues. So there's a lot of learning that has happened with the fellow students, and that is where I really value alumni and various alumni activities that have been happening during our time and till now. In varying degrees, things have been happening. So there's a lot of learning that happens formally, informally, in various ways. So I really value all of that, and it's a pleasure to be here. Yeah. So anything specific, if anyone wants to know.
And sir, how can our alumni connect with you on all what fronts? Like if they want to collaborate with you.
Yeah. So as I said, I'm into business of design and culture media, and I think all or every enterprise, be it a startup, be it a company which is way ahead in the learning curve, they all need strategic communication and design services. And I'll be always available, whether on professional front or someone wants some advice or mentorship. I'm always available. Even student interaction, I enjoy interacting with students. So anytime the institute or if EDIA is facilitating something, I'll be happy to kind of share my insights or whatever experience I have with relative audience, and anything. I mean, EDI, EDIA, anyone from the institute, they can always reach out for whatever it is. It is a privilege that I can connect with the institute in any way.
Thank you so much, sir. It was great to have so many of your views here. Over to you, Mr. Palak.
Palak, can I add something? I'm so sorry to bulge in. Can I add something? You asked about collaboration. So just an example of collaboration, Mihir and I'm from second batch, Mihir is from third batch. We never knew because there was no inter-batch connection. But since we formed the EDIAA, we connected really well. And today, even after EDIAA responsibilities, today we have business with among us, me and Mihir's company. So Mihir's company is handling our full group communication, branding, and related all activities. So just an example of collaboration, how we can interconnect.
Yes. And now Mr. Mitul Shah, the founding Joint Secretary of EDIAA. Could you now please come forward to introduce yourself and help us know you better?
Good evening, friends, respected Sukla sir, and all the respected guests and teachers at EDI. Thank you, EDI alumni, first to giving us this chance to interact with you all. So I am Mitul Shah from second batch 1999-2000. Did my specialization in family business management, and I am based out of Rajkot. We are a family business who are into manufacturing of corrugated board and boxes. That is primarily for packaging for all kind of goods. Could be electronics, could be pharma, could be food, snack, dairy industries, chemical industries. So packaging is required everywhere. So we are a company which was started by my father in 1960s, and I'm privileged to learn so much from EDI, and joining family business was pretty helpful after learning the important things of joining a family business from during my education at EDI. Regarding Connect, yes, there are a lot of opportunities. So now we are around more than 600 or probably 700 alumni passed out of EDI now. And even if one alumni can give business to another alumni, there will be so many businesses within the alumni which will give amazing business turnovers, amazing opportunities within the alumni, and will build more trust and help our alumni to become more stronger. At the end of the day, connecting within the alumni for business will also pull all the members to see an opportunity that you're going to buy or sell to a person whom there is a common common thing attached, that is EDI, and that is where the trust comes in. So I think what the current team is doing is great. Getting all the passed out, all the alumni together, and trying to ask all the alumni what they are doing, introducing themselves. So we had earlier Zoom meet also, we had this thing where a lot of alumni introduce their businesses with the other alumni. So I think we are going on the right track, and it's going to be a great opportunity if everybody joins in. That's it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mitul. And I would also like to tell you that we also have with us Mr. Sumit Grover, former President EDIAA, and Mr. Nikhil Talreja, former Secretary of EDIAA. And I would like you all to stay tuned for some fun activity which we will be having later on. So as of now, over to you, Akshay.
Palak, give me a minute.
Yes, sir.
Something that Mitul didn't mention. Mitul and Niyati form great couple. Niyati was also from the campus, and we are very happy about that. I mean, both of them together, they have been wonderful students and always caring for the institute. So that also you should have mentioned, but I'm sure that Niyati would be there. My regards to her.
Yes, thank you for mentioning that, sir.
Okay. So thank you very much. I have to go somewhere, so kindly allow me. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Dr. Shraddha.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you, sir. It was inspiring, sir. Thank you.
Pranam, sir.
Thank you so much. And now, friends, it's time for the Super 7, the current EDI Alumni Association committee members, and we would like them to introduce themselves. Akshay, take over, please. Do we have Akshay with us? Hello. some technical glitch on his part, any which ways. So let's start with our pasta man, Kanchit Modi, Secretary of EDIAA. And let's see if he only likes pasta or is there something more to it. So Kanchit, can we have this? Yes.
Thank you, Palak. Firstly, my favorite food is pizza and not pasta. Yeah, but yes. So I'm into pasta manufacturing. It's a new business started by me in 2012. I'm based in Ahmedabad, and I'll be happy to connect in form of business, in form of fun, in terms of exploring anything related to food and beverage industry, may it be restaurants, may it be distributions of food and beverages products in Western India market, right? More of me, you get to learn when we meet. So thank you, Palak, and thank you, everyone.
Great. And now.
So I'm here. I'm back. So.
Oh, okay, Akshay.
I now invite the magician of words. Miss Palak.
Okay, I think he was talking about me. It's me, Palak Chakhani. I'm from the 15th batch, and that's 2012-2014. I'm a content writer, creative communication writer, as we say, and a radio jockey. So that's all about me. And now over to the rider yogi. Yeah. So the rider yogi is Mr. Hemant Mehta, the Joint Secretary of EDIAA. And of course, one more thing, which I forgot to mention, I'm also the Joint Secretary of EDIAA. And now over to the Joint Secretary, another Joint Secretary of EDIAA, Mr. Hemant Mehta.
Hello, everyone. As we are short of time, so I will not take much time. My name is Hemant. I'm from batch 12. We are into manufacturing of air coolers. We require caster wheels for our air coolers. Recently, I joined a company in which we market luxury products. So if you manufacture anything and you want to go online, we can do that. And I'm also doing some startup regarding a board game. So this is my things. Now I would like Palak, you to continue.
A very perfect time for some chai. So let's have Modi ki chai. The Modi waiter is with us. Yes, Mr. Vishal Modi, the treasurer of EDIAA. Please come forward and introduce yourself.
Hello, friends. So this is Vishal Modi. I'm from 7th batch. I love to call myself serial entrepreneur. So recently I started a chai outlet, which is called Modi Ki Chai. This is at Sindhu Bhavan. Apart from that, my core business is adventure games. So I'm into my office and this is my background. If you can see, this is the wall, adventure sports. We are into paintball gaming. We are into outdoor sports, and we do team building activities for the corporates as well. And apart from this, I recently started my YouTube channel and I do podcasting as well. I'm a motivational speaker also. Thank you, Palak.
Thank you so much. And now it's time for the party animal of our batch, of our the so-called party animal of Super 7. Palash, the Joint Treasurer of EDIAA, please come forward and introduce yourself. Palash, do we have you with us? Hello.
I think we lost him. You can.
I think yes. Let's.
वो कहीं party कर रहा होगा.
Oh my God. No. So let's go to Mr. Pandey.
आ गया. He's here. He's here.
Okay. Great.
Okay. So good evening, friends. Myself Palash Shah. Basically, I am from Ahmedabad. We are into manufacturing of textile units, and we are into premium shooting fabrics. We make from last 30 years and supplying to 45 different brands of India right now, such as Donier, Being Human, Killer, Spiker, etc. And right now we are having the plant at Chhatral GIDC and our headquarters at Safal 1, Ahmedabad. And right now I am director to SWPL, Leo Business Network, Leo Multiple Business, and joint treasurer to EDIAA, and board member at Chhatral GIDC Association. Along with that, I am also interested in networking, jamming. Even I'm a music lover, playing tennis, squash, etc. And I have started XSC at EDI, which is the Culfest. Thank you, Palak.
Thank you so much, Palash. And I think I have my co-host back. Akshay, do we have you?
Sure. Yeah, sure. So now I welcome Mr. Rajesh Pandey, the network builder and the vice president of EDIIA.
Thank you, Akshay. Thank you so much. Hello, friends. I am Rajesh Pandey from the first batch. The EDI story and my story started together at EDI. Apart from that, we are core into construction, into development of residential projects in Maharashtra. And I also keep on investing, buying small organizations or businesses, and then we turn it around and just sell them. So I make my money from that. Dal roti wahan se chalti hai. I am also into government relations, and I'm connected with some of the ministries. And I would be really open to, see if there are people who are looking at hemp and cannabis as new business opportunities, because that is where I am investing right now. So that's all.
I forgot to mention that I'm from Calcutta. Rajesh, even you forgot to mention where you're from. So.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I reside in Thane, near Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Great. And now our starter, our engine, the president of EDIIA, Dr. Shraddha Seth, please come forward and kindly introduce yourself.
Yeah, hello everyone. I'm Shraddha. I'm based at Ahmedabad. I have my own project management consulting company. We are into education sector and we work with the investors and promoters to set up a new institutions or a university. That's all about me. Thank you, everyone.
Great. And friends, as you all know, we just took the formal handover very, very recently. And understanding our strengths and weaknesses from where we were, we have planned a lot of meaningful things which will help us move ahead with strength. Yes. So I would now like to invite Vishal, the treasurer of the current Alumni Association, to brief us on the annual planning for the 2021, for the 21-22. Yeah.
Thank you, Palak. So I will take up the screen now. So is this screen visible to everyone?
Yeah? Yes.
Yes. And चलिए देखते हैं कि अब हमारे अच्छे दिन कैसे दिखने वाले हैं. Okay, Vishal.
Yes.
Am I right in saying that?
Of course, of course. Yes. There is a lot inside the box. So I'm just going to open a Pandora box for you all. And this is the...
Vishal, you can have a full screen. I think full screen is
just
yeah.
Actually, full screen mode. Okay. So this is the flow of the presentation. I'll take you to the next slide directly. अब ये कहानी दोस्तों 2007 में शुरू हुई थी. EDI का जो फाउंडेशन स्टोन है, EDI उतना ही पुराना है जितना मैं पुराना हूँ. I just saw today that EDI was formed in 1983 and I'm born in 1984. But the EDIAA was founded in 2007 by the founding members, जिनसे अभी आपकी मुलाकात करवाई मैंने. Every committee of EDIAA has worked energetically to make sure that the Alumni Association grows and achieves greater heights. EDIAA has introduced a Delhi chapter for its alumni. It has around 35 members presently. अब ये EDIAA का क्या जरूरत था? क्यों फाउंड हुआ था? Any association is the foundation, the base of the organization. If you want to grow, if you want to, want to have a progress, then networking is the new currency. That is what the experts say in today's time. These are the founding members. Gaurav Parmar, the president, owner Rimtex, आपसे मुलाकात करवाई हमने. Rajesh Pandey was the vice president. Murari Goswami was the vice president too. Mihir Gajrawala, Anurag Seth, Mayur Thakkar, Mitul Shah, and Rutul Zaveri. These were the founding members who put up the stone and they gave the shape to the dream that we are looking towards. These were the past president and the committee members. Sumit Grover, he was the past president. Laval Bhatt, vice president. Nikhil Talreja, secretary, and Ashish Chaudhary, joint secretary. अब ये हुआ इतिहास. अब हम आपके सामने पेश कर रहे हैं हमारा फ्यूचर. दिस इज द अलुमनाई एसोसिएशन कमेटी ऑफ द करंट ईयर, जिनको आपने वोट करके सिलेक्ट किया है. श्रद्धा सेठ, राजेश पांडे, कांक्षित मोदी, हेमंत मेहता, पलक छोकानी, विशाल मोदी and Palash Shah. So these are the positions that has been allocated to us, and we assure you, friends, you can trust on us, and we are really giving our heart out, sweat and blood to pull this ahead. I am not going to, आप लोगों को जो भी हमने प्रॉमिस किया है, we are going to stay on it, and we are working really hard for it. Now, whenever any association is made, these are the three basic pillars. Okay, one is body, another one is soul, and third one is mind. I take it in this way. या तो फिर इंस्टीट्यूट है, उनके दो बच्चे हैं, एक स्टूडेंट्स है करंट और एक अलुमनाई है. अलुमनाई यानी आप बड़े बच्चे ले सकते हो, स्टूडेंट है जो करंट छोटे बच्चे हैं. अब इन तीनों को साथ में मिलकर काम करना होता है, so that everyone can prosper together, and we all will be building this EDIA together. This is the action plan. We have divided the action plan into 2 phases, and this is the phase 1. We found that ये priority में पहले लेना चाहिए और इस चीज को पहले streamline करें, and then we can move to another task. So the phase 1 task that we have jotted down is building a database of all the alumni and channelizing it for the directory that we are creating. Right now, friends, we do not have the database set. Okay, we do not have कितने लोग alumni members हैं, किस साल में member बने. We don't have the details. उनका occupation कहाँ पे, उनका email ID, phone number, we don't have. So first thing that अगर सारी committee को, सारी team को, जितने भी 1800 लोग अभी तक निकले हैं, उनका database होना हमारे पास बहुत जरूरी है. So first thing we are doing is getting the database, creating the database. Imagine this thing. आपको घर पे टीवी लेनी है, आप एक ऐप पे गए और आपने डाला इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइटम्स, और ऐप आपको बाहर आके देता है विशाल मोदी फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद 7th batch has an electronic store. Imagine this. I did, अगर मुझे पता है, मुझे I'll give you just a small example. मुझे एयर कूलर लेना था, डेजर्ट कूलर. I knew Hemant in Bikaner is a manufacturer of air cooler. I called him. फोन पे डील हुआ. He gave me the best air cooler possible at the best rate possible. बीकानेर से उसने मुझे यहाँ ट्रांसफर करा दिया, and I bought it. Imagine the trust that we have. पेमेंट चलता रहेगा, क्वालिटी भी would be the best because he is an EDI alumni. I am also an EDI alumni. So imagine if that kind of robust database we have, how easier it would be for us to get business among us. And there would be trust factor involved. You are sure that you are going to good product. He is not going to cheat you. Money could be taken care later. And if this kind of situation can be created, imagine what business we are going to develop into. So this is the first thing, creating a database to make use of single digital platform. हमारी बात हो रही है दोस्तों डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म बनाने की, जहाँ पे सारे alumni हैं, उनका डेटा मिले आपको. You can search by city, you can search by sector, you can search by industry, age, anything. I go Delhi, I search who are from EDI in Delhi, in Delhi, and then I can have their contacts, I can talk to them, I can get details about Delhi. Imagine this. This is the power of having a robust alumni organization, and this is what we are really targeting to. Setting up of dedicated alumni office at campus. Now you will ask, Vishal, ठीक है, अभी ये सब presentation दे रहे हो, हमको जब काम होगा तो हम कहाँ जाएंगे? So EDI ने हमें एक ऑफिस की जगह देने का डिसाइड किया है, and we have a stable space at EDI, and you can always contact that. We also have a phone line too. Monthly virtual event including business networking, sector specific series, and social events. We are going to do monthly virtual events. You are seeing that we are doing this for the last 5 months, and it would be business networking, it would be value addition. Last time we got a speaker also. So we will keep doing various different kind of things. It would be sector specific as well. If you want to do digital marketing, we'll get the expert for digital marketing and upgrade you. If there is a textile sector, you want some expert for the textile, we can get you that as well. We are looking into that segment also. And of course, social events karne wale hain, and we have planned amazing social events for you. Next is the current Delhi chapter. We also have a Delhi chapter, and we are going to make it functional and operational very fast. Okay, so this is phase 1. Phase 2, guys, ye itni priority pe nahi tha, so we have kept it into phase 2. We are going to give a unique ID numbers and unique ID cards. And mark my words, owning a ID card of EDII would be more valuable than having an iCard of any other club. We pay such a hefty amount to be a member of a club, Karnavati Club, Rajpath Club. We just have 10,000 rupees membership fee here, which can make you have a benefits, such a huge benefits that we are going to deliver. Okay, so there would be various events that we are going to line up. Create Wall of Fame. हमारी EDI alumni में इतने बड़े-बड़े महानुभाव हैं, इतने बड़े-बड़े brands दिए हैं हमने, but people do not know. So what we have thought of, just an idea popped out that we will have a space in EDI campus wherein we will have different logos, big logos which have really created name into the market. And I would also invite applications, if you want your logo to be there, then you can approach us. Apart from this, we are also planning different zones. So we have EDI alumni, but then we need to penetrate into these small pockets as well. Hence, we have thought of creating zones, East zone, West zone, South zone. As Delhi chapter है, उस तरह अलग zones में divide किया जाएगा. फिर zones के बाद अगर हमारे पास लोग जोड़े ज़्यादा, तो we'll more break up into cities as well. Apart from that, we will also prepare the annual report. Now, for doing all these things, we need an effective communication medium. And for that, regular communication on all the media platforms, we didn't have LinkedIn till now. Okay, so we are creating LinkedIn. We didn't have Instagram. So we want to, exploit all the social media platforms that are available to us. Regular update on EDI. EDI के अंदर क्या हो रहा है? क्या-क्या नए collaborations कर रहे हैं? क्या नए projects मिले उनको? उसका भी details आप तक मिलेगा. We are trying to give you a kind of magazine or maybe a small 2-pager regularly, which will update you about what organization is getting into. If they have started something into some other country, let's say Bhutan, and if you want some tie-up, some links in Bhutan, then you know कि अच्छा EDI है वहाँ पे, चलो मुझे इससे ये help मिल जाएगी. Engaging alumni posts, we are going to post regularly, and that would be really adding value to your business. We are also will be having an official email ID wherein you can approach us, your concerns, your whatever help related to EDI, networking, alumni, any industry, you can contact us then. Now, coming to the next page, I will ask my colleague, Hemant, to take over for this events and meets. Hemant.
Thank you, Vishal Bhai. So I'm going to take events and meets. The first one is business networking meeting. So हम लोग यहाँ पर हैं अपने business को grow करने के लिए. All this time, मैं कभी networking को इतना वो detail में नहीं जाता था. Last 10 years EDI के बाद में मैं इतना networking focus नहीं करा. But from the last 6 months, I realized that networking is a very important aspect for your business. And एक example दूंगा. एक batchmate मेरा, we are doing a business more than 50 lakh rupees. Like we crossed last year. So we are going to organize different business networking meetings across India. Second is sector specific meets. So this will be more like, furniture businesses, electronic businesses. And the third one is virtual expo. Because of the COVID, we are planning for virtual expo. The fourth one is we are entreplexes. So this is an old activity. We are going to continue with entreplexes. Fifth one is sports and gaming events. So, we all have been connected in EDI through different sports. So we are going to organize different sports where, let's say, batch 1 is going to fight with batch 12 and batch 12 is going to fight with batch 18. Different games will be there like table tennis, cricket and volleyball. So these all things are in mind, and we are going to participate in various charity events, and definitely there will be regional chapter meets and dinner meets. Vishal, next.
Yes.
Okay, so currently our work in progress is like there are basically two things. One is compiling alumni database for EDII. We have been working very hard on this. So we want all the database, all the pass out of past EDI alumni in a single app. So we are on that stuff. The second one is identifying suitable digital app for EDI-AA. So we are in talk with different companies. We are checking their packages and all that stuff. So hopefully we are going to finalize in this within a week or two. Vishal next. Okay, so this is a very interesting thing, like batch conveners. So her batch say we are going to select maximum 2 number of people. These will be our communication points towards that batches. So I would like to recognize all of them, and they are like the pillars of EDI-AA. So from batch 1 we have Samir Allavadi, Rajesh Pandey, and then Mayur Thakkar, Akash Agarwal, Amit Mulchandani, Jeet Gandhi, Akash Manotra, Kushal Khara. Next. Abhinav Mehta, Anand Gokhani, Parin Shah, Pranay Roy, Kushal Khetan, Vikrant Kishore, Hemant Mehta, Kanchit Modi. Next. Then from batch 13 we have Arjun Patel, batch 14 we have Ranjit Khatri, then Palash Shah, PV Ravi Teja, Aman Jain, Sukhvinder Singh. Next. Then Bhavya Mahindra, Pushpak Parekh, Darshil Jain, and we have Havyas. So these are our pillars for EDI-AA. And from here on, I would like Palash to continue.
Thank you, Aman. So, guys, I'm very glad to announce the first event of our this 2020-21, which is flag hosting event, and the timing will be from 9 a.m. to 12 noon, and even after that you can stay there. So next slide. So along with the flag hosting, with us, what we say, the current batch students, along with that, our alumni with family are invited, and we will play paintball, which will be done by the Vishal Bhai Modi. And along with that, for your kids and all your family, there is also, we have the games like fun activities and stimulation exercise by Vishal Bhai. So after that, I would just like to say there is no registration fee for this. So I would like to just invite you all along with our galaxy of past presidents and all. So kindly come at campus on 15th of August, and we will celebrate together flag hosting. So thank you. And I will request to Palak carry on.
Yes, thank you, Palash. And I don't think Akshay does anything.
Palak, I would like to add a few points
Yes.
over here. Sorry to interrupt. Yes, so we specially invite all the batch conveners to come for this event. This is the first event. And if all the batch conveners and the past committee members and the founding committee members, we specially invite you. This is the first event and we really want you guys over here. It will be a great opportunity to mingle, to know each other, and to build that trust, right? Thank you.
Thank you. And yes, all the conveners, please be there. And now, Kanchit, I would request Kanchit Modi, the Secretary of EDI-AA, to please come forward for the presentation on the membership overview. Kanchit, over to you.
Thank you, Palak. Yeah. Just a sec. So it has been a task and a trouble for all the alumni to know who all are members. I'm not able to vote. He's not able to vote. She's getting to pay fees here and there. There's a lot of the institute does not know who all are members. So we have worked really hard on that, and we have compiled the first list, which is the lifetime members list. And I'm very happy to announce this in our first virtual announcement, right? So this is the lifetime members list. It is ready till July 2021, all the membership that we have received. Just a glimpse. We currently have 947 members.
Kanchit, I think your presentation is not been on screen.
I've shared it. Okay, just a moment.
Now it's visible.
Okay.
Yes,
it's visible. Yes,
It's visible. Yeah.
Earlier it was not.
No, it was there.
It was visible.
Yes.
Okay, we continue again then. Is it visible right now?
Yes.
Yes. Go ahead.
All right, again a glimpse. So we have 947 registered members, lifetime members, that is including the 21st batch pass outs. And we will be circulating this list by end of the day with the help of the batch conveners. So we'll be giving out this soft copy to the batch conveners, and they can circulate among their batches. So everyone can check the list. Am I there or not? You know. So how was this list made out and confirmed? We had the sources to be checked. We went through the receipt vouchers which were there. We thank you to the committee which was there in 2013. They had published a great annual report, and all the names were very well accounted over there. So we added those names. We were also given a list of members which were included in the period of 2016 and 2021 by the large committee. A list was given to us by EDII team about certain payments that they received in the period of June-July 2021. We also cross-checked against the tally data entries which were there from the account department, and we also went through account statements which we had received from the bank. So a lot of cross checks, a lot of verifications, and we have tried to do our best in compiling this list. So what to do if your name is not there? You know, I think that's where we can start because you have not joined us probably. So I welcome all of our alumni to join, especially welcome alumni from 1st to 11th batch. We really look forward to having you on board with us. You know, you're like our parents and our guiding figures. So without you, we are lost in a way. Please join us. Please help us go ahead. Okay, if you have made payment and still your name is not there, then please do contact us, send us an email, or you can just call us or WhatsApp us if you have the numbers. We'll look into it. We'll see if any error is to be cross-checked, and we will certainly do the needful, right? Talking about membership fees. Past membership fees have been rupees 500 has been started as annual membership. We are not looking for annual memberships anymore. That was, I think in 2008 or 9, this was considered, but not carried up much. Till 15th batch, the fees have been rupees 5,000. Post 15th batch, that is 16th batch onwards, the membership fees which was contributed by students was rupees 10,000. Current membership fees is rupees 10,000 only, and I welcome you all for joining us. Let's make memories together.
Kankshit, I think there is a message in the chat box how to get the membership. Please respond to it.
Yes, to get the membership, contact us, email us. We will be having our official email ID, office@ediialumni.org active, hopefully by Monday. If not, maybe in 2 more days, because the process has been already initiated by Google and everything. So we should be active on that very soon. So that will be the right spot to start. Anything else to be added or to be answered?
So there is only one thing. There is an account ID. We will share with you. If you want to be a member, you need to deposit 10,000 rupees by direct transfer also, and you can be a member. And you can share the receipt of it to us, any of us, so that we can acknowledge the same. That's all. That's the only way to be a member. Thank you, everyone. Yeah.
Kanchi, they wanted to share the email.
Yes, I'm giving.
And friends, since now you know what is the benefit you will be getting from being a member of the EDIA, please come forward, please become members and benefit from whatever is in store for you. Yeah, so moving ahead, we now have the fun part, which is the rapid fire round to know some fun facts about our past committee members. Gaurav Parmar, Mihir Gajrawala, Mithul Shah, Sumit Grover, and Nikhil Talresha. Do we have you here? Are you all with us?
Yes.
Yes. I can see Gaurav, I can see Sumit. Gaurav, Mihir, Mitul, Sumit, and Nikhil.
This was a surprise, huh?
So I'll be asking some
Sumit
short
bhai.
questions. Yeah. Who was it? Are we all here? Gaurav, Mihir, Mitul, Sumit, and Nikhil?
Sumit is not there, I guess.
Okay. So I'll be asking you 5 questions, and to which anybody to whom it's applicable, of course, can respond. And let me know when I can start.
Good to go.
Good to go. Great. So the best memory of life at EDI.
Holi festival.
Festivals.
Second batch.
Anybody else who wants to answer this?
I think every night in the hostel has its own special charm. So
Yes.
I guess, collectively that every evening or late night is still so fresh and vivid in the mind.
Not getting into the details of it for sure. Anybody?
You won't get there also.
It's all about studies. It's all about studies, actually. Nothing else.
No comments. No comments. Anybody who still has the textbooks covered in plastic, packed in plastic still?
I have all my notes with me.
Even I have.
Notes. The textbooks still in plastic, still packed in the plastic covers?
Not really in plastic covers, but as it is still.
Oh, as it is. Okay, great. Though we are on record, but it's just for no record purpose. Yes. Anybody who's ever bunked a class to go out for a date?
There are 2 questions involved here.
What are they?
I'll skip.
Gaurav, any response from you?
I believe Mitul should answer this.
Yes, for sure.
Mitul is there?
Mitul?
He did not have to bunk the class to go on a date.
Rajesh knows about it.
That was a good answer, Rajesh.
Ever cheated while going to the washroom during the exam?
Never.
Never. Sounds like he's never cheated also.
Mihir was gold medalist, right, Mihir?
Yes.
Okay.
Correct. And a peculiar question now, but anybody here who hasn't had Shiluka Maggi yet?
I think we had that time, that privilege, I think.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. At that point in time, he was not there.
Yeah.
So,
Shilu wasn't there.
yes.
Okay. Okay, great. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Then we had then we had only EDI. So now it is Shiluka Maggi and uske piche EDI.
True, true. That's kind of the landmark for EDI as well. Yes.
But we had
much.
special dal from Mishra ji, who used to do the tadka dal
Amazing.
after late evenings, like after dinner. So that we had the privilege, I would say.
Amazing.
Awesome. That kind of makes my mouth watery, and any which ways I'm not going back to that. So thank you so much for those wonderful responses. And going on to the present batch, though I'm not the present batch, but present current committee member. So the Super 7, yes, though I'm from one of them, but since Akshay is not here, I guess, I would take it on. And this is a rapid fire round for the present committee. The Super 7, please be there. All available.
Was this in the plans?
So this is your plan, Palak.
This was not in agenda.
This was not in the agenda.
We can have some fun facts coming from you guys, and quite similar to what we had.
हम तो black and white movie देखने वाले थे. ये color movie क्यों दिखा रहे हो तुम?
थोड़ा सा तड़का लगाने के लिए. So let's just do it, yeah.
ठीक.
What do you miss the most from EDI? The life at EDI or EDI?
Friends, obviously.
EDI International.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my.
I think for me it's the whole environment and that hostel life and that.
Sido Hall. Sido Hall.
Okay. Yes, I know why.
There was much less worry and there was much more party.
I miss that. I miss that water tank, which was there next to the canteen. So there was very good space on top of that.
वहाँ जाके शायरियाँ लिखते
Any favorite places of EDI? Any favorite? I won't call it a spot for some reason, but yes, any favorite place at EDI?
Room number 41.
Okay. What about others?
TT table.
TT table. Okay. Great.
We used to have, there was a girls' hostel. Okay, and then after that there was boys' hostel, of course.
Yes.
So we had to go through the place, and generally in the evening we used to go with Dr. Krishna, and he used to stop us there at the corner, and there was this light on the top, and then he would make us listen to the macroeconomic theory for another 1 or 2 hours post our, so there were 2-3 people who always used to get stuck. With due respect to Dr. Krishna, we've had a lot of macroeconomic theory.
For me, it was the library and the open spaces of EDI, very much. And the next question which is coming for you is, for everybody, is, have you ever attended a lecture in your pajamas?
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं है.
Anytime.
Many times.
Anytime.
अभी ये पूछोगे क्लास में कभी दूध पिया है आप लोगों ने?
I was given a warning because of I came in shorts actually.
Oh, okay. Ever bribed the watchman to go out at night?
I didn't have to bribe them.
Okay.
There were good communications and good understandings.
Okay, negotiation से काम चल जाता था. Very nice.
नहीं, हमारे समय में राम और लक्ष्मण हुआ करते थे, वो हमको कभी रोकते नहीं थे बेचारे.
Wow. तो आप हनुमान की तरह निकल पड़ते थे.
बस निकल पड़ते थे हम लोग.
Great.
हमारे 3 बाइक्स थी, रात को धीरे से निकल जाते थे.
धीरे से निकलते थे.
गणपति सर यहाँ पे सुन रहे हैं. बहुत.
I was also looking at his reactions.
So sorry, हम निकल चुके हैं, so it's okay too. I'm sure most of us have attended.
But thank God Bindu ma'am is not here.
Oh.
You would have scared me even now.
True. And I'm sure most of us attended classes only for the attendance sake. Which subjects were they, if you're comfortable answering that question? Which subject did you do this in? Faculties को नहीं बताऊंगी मैं, आप लोग बताओ. कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स में आप लोग ऐसा बंकिंग टाइप नहीं करते थे because of the attendance, but खाली अटेंड करते थे?
The subjects were good, I think. I never felt like missing a class.
Correct.
Great. So we have lovely people, serious, great people in the current EDI.
Some of my batchmates would know how serious I was in the class. Half of the class I used to sleep on the first bench and the second.
Oh, that was something very, very good. Right. You reminded me. First bench was the best place to sleep.
Yeah, and me and my friends had actually changed the criteria of first and second bench. In fact, the sir were also like, "ये क्या बच्चे हैं? हम लोग पीछे देखते और ये लोग यहाँ मस्ती करते हैं."
मॉर्निंग जब मैं दूध लेकर जाता था पीने के लिए तो लास्ट बेंच पे बैठता था, बाद में फर्स्ट बेंच पे बैठता था. क्योंकि और आंखें भी छोटी है ना, तो एक्चुअली दिखाई नहीं देता है कि आदमी सो रहा है या जाग रहा है.
Great. So never felt like bunking classes, and thank you so much for that. And I would now request Mr. Rajesh to conclude with a vote of thanks. Rajesh, over to you.
Thank you, Palak. Friends, to begin with, on behalf of EDI Alumni Association, First, let me thank our Director General, Dr. Sunil Shukla, sir, for taking out time from his schedule to join us. And we also thank Ganpati sir and Dr. Satya, who provide us with consistent support and help in our day-to-day activities. And we would like to extend our thanks to the members of the founding team who interacted with us today and are always available for any kind of support. Gaurav, Mitul, Mihir, thank you. And we also thank the leadership team of the earlier committees who have brought the story of EDI Alumni Association to the huge group that we are today. And allow me to also thank each and every participant who took time out of their family and work schedule to join us. Also, each and every convener member who has made the communication with their batches possible and smooth. I would also like to thank members from Shraddha's team who have worked very hard to meet the required deadlines. I want to thank Palak, Akshay, who have made the interaction very, very interesting and lively. Last but not the least, I want to thank each member of the present committee who have burnt late night oil to ensure this event becomes a success. Palash, Hemant, Palak, Vishal, Kankshit, and Shraddha have put in a huge amount of effort to make this event possible. Most importantly, it is the Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India which connects all of us. Thank you, everyone, and enjoy your networking time. See you soon next time.
Thank you so much for that vote of thanks. And I now declare the forum open for networking. So please shoot your suggestions, feedbacks, and questions, and let's interact. Open to everybody.
Everyone can unmute their mic and let there be chaos. Chaos.
Thank you. I just like to mention the name of Rutul, who was also part of the first.
Yes, Rutul Zaveri. Yes.
Yeah, Rutul Zaveri. So he was treasurer, and he really worked in tandem. So I don't know if he's present.
Yes,
and,
yes. Thank you, Gaurav.
Yeah. Thanks, everyone.
As Rutul is here, we would like to know of Rutul a little more, if possible.
Okay. Good evening, EDIans. I am Rutul Zaveri from 5th batch. I am also the part of, as Gaurav mentioned, we are like the founders, but as Shukla sir said, Abhinav has initiated and we have started the journey.
Yes.
I'm into printing and packaging industry, and I'm from Ahmedabad. I'm handling my family enterprise. It's around, I'm the 3rd generation in this enterprise. Thank you.
Great to know you.
I think we also have some other people who started from, you were starting from the first batch. I guess, is there?
So are we all set for the 15th August? I think I want to add some few pointers there.
Is Murari there?
I would like to make a request. Just on the first event that we are organizing, friends, on 15th August, it's a national holiday. It's Sunday as well. I would like everyone to be present there, at least people who are from Ahmedabad and people who are nearby, Baroda, Surat, Rajkot. Please make up some time and come down. अगर आपके बैच में से कोई नहीं आ रहा है, it's completely fine. कंपनी के लिए मत रुकिएगा. Come down. We are going to make new friends, new relations. एक visiting card की थप्पी लेके आनी है और सबको शेयर करना है. नेटवर्किंग भी होगा और बहुत मजा आएगा. I'm assuring you. So please be there on 15th August at morning 9 AM. थोड़ी देशभक्ति भी करेंगे और दोस्ती भी करेंगे, नए लोगों से मिलेंगे. Exciting activities hogi, we'll then proceed for lunch. So please be there. Plan, book your calendar, block the date, and be present there.
Modi, मोदी जी, अहमदाबाद के बाहर वालों को क्या करना है?
We are also looking. No, we are looking for stay के लिए भी हम लोग देख रहे हैं. So formally with the details of the event will be shared, I think, in 2 days' time, and where we'll be confirming what is the accommodation and stay facility that can be arranged. Also
and and Mayur bhai, that's why we have announced it on a very 15 days time, so that you all can plan the event and you can make it and block your calendar. So please come with the family and kids. And we are going to share some kind of Google form for the confirmation. Please share and register yourself so that you also can plan event accordingly. So
First of all, I congratulate the new team for taking the opportunity of 15th August and creating an event. It will be a great event combining the Independence Day and the alumni reunion. Fantastic idea.
So look forward to have you.
हमें क्या है, थोड़े rules बनाने पड़ रहे हैं for people who come to stay. So we are taking some time on that.
Also, I would
कंक्षित सारे रूल बना लो at the end of the day वो रूल सब हमको ही पालने पड़ेंगे.
I think we had a very active Ahmedabad team.
और
आनंद भाई,
sorry.
Yeah. Yes, Mihir was saying.
I was just saying that while we were taking care of the association, there was a very active Ahmedabad. It may not be a formal Ahmedabad chapter, as in terms of legal thing, but there was a very active team, and lot of Ahmedabad-based events were taken care by them. At least they did a great job in the forward linkage and getting participation. I think you did mention few of them in the conveners, Amit Mulchandani, Akash, but there were a lot more. I guess Ronak Prajapati was there. I'm not recollecting all the names, but there were 7-8 of them who were really actively involving themselves in various events, and they got really great participation. So I guess you can connect with that team, maybe formalize Ahmedabad chapter.
Anyone else who would want to speak? People who have not spoken till now.
Hey people, I'm Nikita Dattani. Can you hear me?
Yes, Nikita.
Yes. So, guys, I was very, baffled by the fact that we actually have a community and that is so active. But I would just want to say that when we were actually in college, we never got to know much about the Alumni Association, and I've actually seen people. Just a very few, but leave after 1 year of college, and that is something that happens because you have different reasons, no doubt. But even at one point, we were actually feeling as though कि यार ऐसा तो कोई बहुत ही extraordinary alumni तो निकला नहीं है college से, तो यार मतलब college सही है या नहीं. So these are the kind of doubts which are very normal, and they do come. I'm not joking, because we have had discussions like these in canteens also. So it'll be great if you guys can actually be inclusive of the current batch itself. What happens is that when the current batch sees all these things, their doubts are very much more, mellowed down, and they are more confident about the fact that हाँ यार EDI continue करना है, रहना है, या फिर on a very major factor कि हाँ तुम्हारे दूसरे दोस्त जो भी join करने वाले. So we also had cases जो मतलब 1-2 महीने हो गए कॉलेज के, फिर बच्चे आ रहे हैं कि हाँ नहीं यार मजा आ रहा है, तुम्हें आ जाओ. So these are the kind of things that can happen only if they know that कि यार बहुत बड़ी community है, बहुत अच्छा फायदा है ये चीज का भी.
Very good suggestion, Nikita.
Thank you.
I think we have already taken the first step for it, Nikita.
Yeah.
We were there, what was the date, Shraddha? In few days back, we were there in EDI.
Nikita was there in a summer camp recently. She was a part of it.
Okay.
And we are already, Nikita, working, and alumni are really interacting with the new batch nowadays. So I think, yeah, you missed it, but now onwards, I think the batch will get that exposure for sure.
Exactly. But see, again, when I say, I'm very sure that ये meeting में कोई भी current batch का तो नहीं है. You see, तो
No, this is for alumni.
No, this is for alumni. Yes.
But that's where I say कि अगर हमें जैसे हम अगर क्लासरूम में बैठे होते और कोई alumni बैच का आता बोलता हम लोग यार ठीक है यार एक one more lecture यार ठीक है मतलब it'll be just the same as any other lecture more or less. But you see, when you see something so active and so thriving out here, that is something so many people in a way would make a difference altogether. वहाँ पे कैसे
Yeah, she's right.
But
yes, we will work out. I think we will take
work
your
out something.
suggestion.
Yes, it's a very good suggestion. Very good suggestion.
Thank you, Nikita. Thank you. Yes, Gaurav wants to say something.
Sorry,
something is cracking.
Yes, Mayur bhai. Now, Gaurav, I think Gaurav wants to say. Yes.
No, I didn't raise them.
Okay,
Prithviraj,
Prithviraj, please go ahead.
It's yours. Yeah.
You have to unmute. Please unmute yourself.
Yes.
Namaskar everyone, and let me congratulate everybody. This is Prithviraj Rajput, 12th batch. Recently, Kangshit gave me a chance last week to introduce myself to the Alumni Association, and to my surprise, I got a very good response from the selected members, the Super 7 as you call everyone. Basically, I'm into catering. Then I started some of the restaurants, and we have some food brands also with us. And Rajesh sir has invested in so many businesses. So we are also a serial investors. We will not call a serial entrepreneurs, but we are a serial investors. We have invested into real estate, news channels, electronics, and so the others. So I'll be ready to work under your guidance for any of the events that you are organizing. So I'll be honored if I would be given a chance. Thank you, and congratulations to everyone.
So Prithvi runs the restaurant chain, which is some of you in Ahmedabad might have seen Videsi, Lunchbox, Khichdi Wala. So that's all run by Prithviraj over here.
Fantastic. Yeah. Fantastic. Yes, Gopi wants to say something. Gopi, you'll have to unmute yourself.
Yeah. Hi everyone. Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Somehow I was under the impression that only I'll get to see people from East India. I'm in Calcutta, and I'm pleasantly surprised to see everyone, all seniors to me mostly, and really nice to see everyone. And I just wanted to inquire, is there a database which is accessible to all alumni about who is where doing what, rather than, we frequently come up, introducing ourselves. And it's really nice to see everyone. I have never seen my seniors since it was a 1-year program during my time. And I just saw only one known face, Amit Lakhani. He happens to be my very close friend. And, it's really nice to see everyone here.
Kangshit?
Thank you, Gopi.
Kangshit, you'd like to take his question?
Yeah, sure. So, Gopi, thank you, and great. You took some time out and you came, and we get to know you. So, regarding your question about is there a database? There is one Connect Me app. You need a registered, your number has to be registered. So if you are not getting entry login in that app, you can connect to us, and we can help you get it registered over there. That app has a fair enough data in terms of region, in terms of industry sector division and all. So you can contact any other alumni over there. Other than that, we are also looking at building a more interactive or a more dynamic application or a platform where we all can connect to each other much more easily and more engagingly, So we are working on that too.
Okay.
So do check in your Connect Me app. It starts with a K.
Yeah. Anand
Yeah.
Gokani wanted to say something.
Yeah. Yeah, good evening, everyone.
And one more thing, Guppy, there is a Telegram also. I don't know if you are there on Telegram. Join it right now. You can just put it. Yeah, do that.
Telegram.
As of now, you can go ahead. Yeah, Anand, proceed.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Apologies for the goof up. Sorry for that. It was a pleasure attending this session. I was under the impression that our alumni might not be that active or not that strong, but then listening to the whole presentation, I feel like I should also eagerly and productively contribute to the alumni association. I just have one suggestion. Am I
Yes, you're audible. Yes, please
fine,
go ahead.
what I was trying to say is that EDI is a very big brand, no doubt about that. But then, as an alumni, we should have some marketing, or maybe where you can elevate that EDI. Like people are joining in EDI. There are a lot of ifs and buts, and there are a lot of confusion regarding like what all of the course and how it will be helpful. So we should also have one objective of raising this brand EDI.
Absolutely.
Yes. Just like we have lot many people active in the Ahmedabad region, there might be a few in Bombay as well. So I would request the core committee members if they can segregate the data and have clusters so that we can connect easily, and then those clusters can meet in a larger group.
Sure, we will take up and we will consider your
yes.
You have a good suggestion. We will take into consideration. Thank you.
Thank
I
you.
think Pratik is there. Pratik, will you like to? It's from 4th batch. Hi, Pratik. After a long time, we see you.
Pratik and Ranjit both are there
Yes.
from.
Hi, Pratik. Can you please?
Hello.
I think,
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes.
please.
Yes, so I'm Pratik Bhatkaniwala. I'm based in Surat from 4th batch. I am into the business of textile engineering. Over the years, I had the opportunity to acquire a couple of companies, and I'm running them now. And looking at this activity of this alumni association, I'm pretty overwhelmed. I am just feeling that I'm just having a FOMO of why I was not active, or why I was not contributing up till now to this lovely institute and the alumni association. But I'm very hopeful that this chain of events that have started will continue for years to come, and I'm very optimistic in contributing to the cause.
Thank you, Pratik.
Thank
Yes, Ranjit, I think you like to say. Thank you, Pratik. Yeah.
Hi everyone, very thankful to join this event. And I'm Ranjit Srivastava from 4th batch, and I'm doing travel business, Cloud Kitchen in Ahmedabad only. Thanks to you.
Good. Thank you.
Can I
Thank you, Ranjit.
give a glimpse of what we are going to do on 15th August? So that the excitement.
I think
that can be said.
Vishal, you can create a teaser and put up in the community.
Yes, in the group. Yes.
That will be better.
We have Priyanka.
And-
Priyanka Kedia is also here. Would she like
I
to say
think-
something?
And I think we have a Nuruddin Abdullah.
Yeah,
Please,
yeah.
you also you always join. So
Yes.
thank you for always being a part of our journey. Yes, I think Priyanka
Priyanka?
first. Priyanka will take up.
Yeah, hi everyone. Myself Priyanka Kedia. I am from the 8th batch. It has been pleasure to meet all on this digital platform, and it's a great platform that we keep connecting on a regular basis. So currently, recently shifted to Hyderabad. So basically, I'm also from Ahmedabad, and now I'm present in Hyderabad as a city. I run a recruitment agency under the name of KKHR Services.
Very nice. Yeah. Thank you. Yes, Nuruddin, please.
Yes, I am Mr. Nuruddin Abdullah from Uzbekistan, but I don't have my business. No, but I plan it. Welcome to India again and starting my business. Yeah. Now I have a song, only song.
Very nice. Very
Yeah,
nice.
so,
Good.
yeah.
Good. Thank you. Yes.
Harish is also there. Harish.
Yes, Harish.
Harish, why you have been really You've been really
wants to
very,
say
very.
something. Harish
Okay.
Pelli, yes, Harish Pelli, please. Yeah.
He has been constant support for all of us.
Hi, friends. It's really, as Pratik told, it's really overwhelming that we have an entire EDI 2.0 startup now as a great launchpad, and really see these fascinating events piled up. So I'm really happy that what we envisioned in 2007, probably it took some time as a learning curve, but the implementation has definitely started now, and there's going to be no looking back, is what I feel. Great going, guys. Great going.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Harish. I think Ganpati sir is there. Sir, will you like to add on? I think you are always been there. Please.
It was very nice to see all of you and listening to you all. And today we remembered Abhinav Daga. DG sir has remembered him. His role is very immense in forming the EDI Alumni Association.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Especially, I forgot few names, Abhinav Daga and his team. There are 4 people. These 4 people started from the scratch. Even we do not have a single penny to start.
Yes.
They spend our own money, and we try to get the sponsorships from various organizations, from various places, and they conducted the, sorry, I'm always telling we, because I was also part of that.
Yes, you were very much part of it, sir.
We missed that out.
Sir, you've been part since then.
You've been part of
You're
it
still
from very
part.
long time, sir. Very beginning.
So they conducted meeting, and in the meeting, first elections was conducted within the attended alumni, and the first team was formed, and under the dynamic leadership of Gaurav Parmar, Mihir, Mitul, Rutul, lot of you, Rajeshji, everything. Lot of activities, innovative activities, thematic activities like responsible businesses. I am unable to recollect. And they used to send a greetings every year also. They printed beautiful printed. Because I'm sitting at home, I'm unable to show you. Mihir has prepared. They did a lot of work, and later on somewhat participation from others. And there are some names actually after Abhinav Daga, Yaduvendra Kumar Singh, and Suchirai from Pune. I forgot the names of the batch. See, Abhinav Daga belongs to 9th batch. Then later on, Yaduvendra Kumar Singh. He worked a lot. Gaurav, Mihirji, correct. Just let us remember the old names. Mihirji.
Yes, sir.
Yaduvendra Kumar Singh, Suchi
Ryan
Rai,
DeCosta.
Roy DeCosta, a lot of people. They put their heart and these things. And they used to work in the library. Library was the workplace for them for so many years. So what I suggest, what I request Shraddha, next time we will invite Abhinav Daga, and there are key persons in the Alumni Association from the student side.
Absolutely.
We will arrange a talk from them also.
Sure, sir. We will do that. Yes, sir.
And any support from me or library or connectivity between the Alumni Association and the institute, I am always there. Do not hesitate. You can contact me at any time for any information support or linkage between the institute and alumni. I am always there. And,
yes, sir.
I wish the new committee should do some miracles. Especially, I am little bit, my focus is on creating networking among yourself, actually, business networking.
Absolutely.
Mihir conducted one of the Gaurav and Mihir conducted first network business where 55, I think 50 plus alumni attended, and it was a great networking.
Correct.
With this, I thank you. I'm always at your disposal. Just you can call me or can write.
Thank you, Ganpati.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your guidance.
Mayur, you wanted to say something?
Yeah. I have one suggestion or a request. We have all talked about the benefit of business networking, and there is no doubt about it. But I also have a request to the EDI Alumni Association that now we are a powerful and a mature association. we should also look forward to giving something to the society or something to the new students who are joining the institute in the form of EDI, Alumni Association scholarship, or some kind of a fellowship. That can be a great way to help somebody who may not be economically or somebody who may not be in a position to come to EDI. My personal experience was that when I came for an interview for the PG program at EDI, I did not have enough of fund. My father said, I made you engineer, that's enough. Dr. VG Patel took the interview. He said, you can't get the fellowship, what you will do? And with my answer, somehow he got convinced and he gave me the fellowship. Otherwise, I wouldn't have come to EDI. So my sincere appeal to EDI Alumni Association committee members to look in some way or in some form how we can support the new students who are coming to EDI and motivate in terms of awarding prizes, awarding grants, whatever way you feel, whatever the budgets you have, do something so that it will motivate the new students.
Thank you, Mayurji. We'll certainly look into that.
That's a good
Jignesh
suggestion.
is there. Is Jignesh there? I think Jignesh, can you brief about yourself before leaving? I think you're man. Yeah. If
I would
he's
like
there.
to add, as Ganpati sir has always been there for EDI and EDI alumni, we've all had the benefits and gratefulness to him. I learned that his son has recently shifted to Canada. He's gone there to study. He's based in Ottawa and he just left a few days back, if I'm not wrong. So if any one of us have good connections in Ottawa, we should really get together and probably help Ganpati sir in whichever way we can. It's always difficult for anyone who goes independently to a new country. So shout out to anyone who knows anyone there.
Did Ganpati sir, your son, yes, your son got the help from that Tony for the ticketing?
He helped him a lot, but he purchased a ticket from because through his counselor actually. Tony helped a lot. He helped a lot.
Yeah. So,
actually,
if you can share that thing to people, they will know.
Definitely. In fact, thank you, Kanchit, for mentioning this. I'm very I definitely take help from your people. Today it was a tough day for him. He was stranded in Paris. In Paris, it seems the airport people were very tough and they have not issued the boarding pass and they have not stamped the passport, whatever it may be. It was very tough and I was contacting the Indian embassy in Paris and I have some biannual conference friends in Paris. I was talking to them. They spoke to the people in French. Finally, the problem was resolved and he was flying to Ottawa now. It was a tough day. I faced a lot of problems, but somewhat I could manage by sitting over here. Definitely, I will take your help. Thank you.
Sorry, sir. And please feel free to contact us. I've already shared to you Prabodh, who's now based in Ottawa. So please do connect to him. Yes.
Thank you, Thank you. Thank you all.
Yes, I think thank you everyone. I think it was a very good meet and we look forward for your support and let's have a greater and stronger community. Yes, sir. I think, sir, please.
Actually, I used to tell Gaurav, Mihir, Mithul, these people. I always requested them to do something about the library.
Yes.
So, see, for example, if you see IIT Mumbai Rajesh Mumbai Library, they are funded by Alumni Association also.
Absolutely.
So, I'll be very happy if you do something for the library. Now, library is growing in terms of infrastructure, in terms of resources, everything. We can think of how best you can contribute to the library. From library side also, Dr. Shraddha will declare soon. You will be getting some benefit from the library also. But at the same time, I'm expecting something from the library for your contribution to the library. Please
Mute.
Thank you.
Sure, sir. I think
we should start that fundraising campaign with library.
Absolutely. Let us begin with that. With that.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, everyone. I
Yes,
think,
let's
yeah,
call it a
thank you
day
so
then.
much. And
Thank you, everyone.
let's,
Bye-bye.
yeah, so we will look forward to have you on 15th August. Please plan the event and block your calendar. Yeah, thank you. Thank you,
And
everyone.
thank you for your leadership, and it has been fantastic. It has been really fantastic.
We all are a team now. We should not thank each other.
नहीं
Okay.
आपस में भी एक दूसरे को जो है करते रहना चाहिए, मोटिवेट करते रहना चाहिए हम लोगों को.
Okay. Chalo, thank you. Bye bye. See you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
Rajesh ji, you
Yes.
listen me?
Yes. Bye. Bye.
It's
Bye. Bye.
Very fantastic. I think
Thank you.
it's very fantastic.
Thank you, Nuruddin. It was fantastic